There is a volcano on Mars 3 times the size of the Everest. At 600 km wide and 21 km high, Olympus Mons is a volcano on Mars that may still be active, according to the scientists. It is the tallest peak of the planet. Do you know what is the cost of spacesuit used by astronauts? Any guesses? Okay, let me tell you. A full NASA spacesuit costs $12 million. Yes, you heard it correctly. It is $12 million, and 70% of the total cost is just for the backpack and control module. Oh my god, this is unbelievable. Neutron stars can spin 600 times per second. Yes, these are the densest and tiniest stars in the known universe. They can rotate at up to 60 times per second after they are born from a core collapse of supernova star explosion. There is a planet made up of diamonds. According to the research of scientists, that a rocky planet called 55 Cancri, which is twice the size of the Earth and mass 8 times greater than the Earth, also known as Super Earth. It is believed to be covered with diamonds and is about 40 light years away from us in Cancer constellation. The footprints on the moon will be there for 100 million years. The reason behind this is the moon has no atmosphere, which means there is no wind to erode the surface and no water to wash the footprints away. So, the footprints of the Apollo astronauts, along with spacecraft prints, etc., will be there for millions of years. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year of Earth because Venus has a slow axis rotation in opposite direction, which takes 243 Earth days to complete its 1 day. The orbit of Venus around the Sun is 225 Earth days, making a year on Venus 18 days less than a day on Venus. That is why on Venus, sun rises from west and sets in east. Believe it or not, but it is a universal fact. If two pieces of the same type of metal touch together in space, they will permanently bond. This incredible fact is also known as cold welding, and it happens because the atoms of two pieces of metal have no way of knowing that they are separate. This doesn't happen on Earth because of the air and water found between the pieces. The moon was once a piece of Earth. The theory is that when Earth was a relatively young planet, it was struck by a giant object, and this collision broke a piece of Earth away to create the moon. This piece then began to orbit the Earth as a result of its gravitational pull, and that broken part was none other than our natural satellite Moon. Cloud of water vapor, 10 billion light years away in space. Astronomers have found a massive water vapor cloud which holds 140 trillion times the mass of all the Earth's ocean water, which is somewhere around 10 billion light years away from us, making it the largest discovery of water ever found. The space smells like raspberry. Astronauts have consistently reported the same strange odor after lengthy spacewalks, bringing it back in on their suits, helmets, gloves, and tools. It's bitter, smoky, metallic smell like seared steak, hot metal, and welding smoke, all rolled into one. Dying stars also cause space to smell. Astronauts have also compared the smell of moon to spent gunpowder. In the middle of the Milky Way, a vast dust cloud smells and tastes of raspberries and rum due to a substance called ethyl formate. Our universe is full of mystery. So friends, these were some of the mysterious facts of our universe. In my next video, I'll bring more interesting and unheard facts of space very soon. Friends, If you like my video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos notification first. And remember to watch the next video on Mysterious Facts of Space episode 2. Thank you.